what happens when, the system meant to protect, it turns into like a battleground.
Yeah.
Today we're really diving into a story that kind of lays bare the raw human cost of these custody battles. We've got these legal documents, and they come from a case, and it's asking this chilling question. Can a mother ever really truly find justice, in a system that feels, I don't know, rigged against her? We're dealing with real lives here, and our goal today is to really unpack this, not just the legal jargon,
Yeah.
but the emotional weight of it all.
Yeah, absolutely. It's definitely a delicate situation.
Let's start with Whitney Thompson's this personal plea she wrote. This document shattered justice. It's not just like legal arguments. It's really like a mother's cry for help. She paints this picture of her life before this ordeal, and she was a dedicated teacher, a loving mother, 3 young children. You even get this sense that she bought into the fairy tale, met her husband in college, trying to build a life together. The whole.
Yeah, it's a common thread. You see this a lot in these types of cases, that desire for a stable family life. And it just, adds another layer of tragedy when things fall apart like this.
Right. And Whitney, she doesn't hold back. She really describes how badly things went south. She claims that, after filing for divorce back in 2023, she found herself facing not just the emotional toll, which you can imagine, but what she calls like troubling corruption and injustices within the family court system itself. She says the Judge Heggie, issued a temporary restraining order. A TRO, and it's essentially like, it's a legal Band-Aid, right? Meant for immediate protection. And this order, it granted sole custody for children to their father, Charlie.
And this is where the case, it really takes this sharp turn. TROs, they're powerful tools, and they can have a huge impact on families, especially if they're granted,
right,
without all sides being heard,
And that's exactly what Whitney claims happened. She claims that she was never even served with this TRO, which, if true, that would make it legally questionable, right?
It certainly raises some, serious concerns about due process. The idea is that both parties get a chance, they have a chance to present their side before such a drastic measure is taken.